Hi Freka team, this is Emmanuel from WIF Company. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to submit your invoices to URA. After you have logged into the system, you come to System Modules, then you come to Invoices. Under Invoices, you look for a particular invoice that you like to push to URA. Let's say I want this. I'll click on this or on View Details, any of it. It will open this item line. Then you need to go ahead and physicalize this, but we are having the item name missing here. If the item name is missing here, it means this item has not synced from the system that is being used for creating it. The item exists there, but probably ISMA needs to do something to ensure these items sync and they come this side. So this one will bounce. Reason being, I don't expect it to be there. So I'll click on physicalize and see what happens. Oop, product not found. So I'll try again physicalizing. By this time around I'll try to apply filter. So I will say I want invoices which are created on 23rd of June. Then I click on apply. So after clicking on apply, I will go to any page I want. You can see most of them have been submitted. So I can go to any page that I want. Let me try this. Now on these pages, I'll click on view. Then I click on physicalize this. I wait for the response from URA. Correct, this is successful. It brings me back to the same page where we had filtered. I'll click on the next one. If the customer has given me a TIN number, I'll go ahead and update the TIN number here. I'm just going to test with this, which is my personal TIN. Then I click on update. Then after that, I can go ahead and click on physicalize. And then the transaction has been physicalized successfully. Okay, it has been physicalized successfully. I'll click on back to invoices. It will take me to the page where I was still. So I can now go ahead and push these ones as well. Go ahead and do what? So this is the process of how you can physicalize these transactions. But please note, invoices may fail if at all they have no stock, or they may go through if they have stock. But basically, it is very ideal. I would advise you to always filter before you start physicalizing, such that if you're filtered, the system will always keep the dates that you have specified. By the time at least you leave the page, you might be in position to have completed all the invoices that were on that page. Okay, so this is how you can handle the invoice physicalization. If you want to print this, just go ahead and click on this. I'll open this in a new tab. Then you have this. If you want a smaller one, you can click on pause, and this will give you a small design. Okay, thank you for watching.